G'day mate, I'm Dingo Dave. We're on the outback looking for some giant dingoes. Believe me Nick, there's one right over there.
Hello Sven, how do you feel about tonight's result? Well, I think we done pretty good. Yes, I like Wayne Rooney very much, and the football is good, yes. Hello?
It don't last for 30 seconds.
I hear Kano making the wrong turning. Turn back, carry on, keep learning. It took me years, blood, and I'm still learning. But now I'm earning, they can't say nothing. Stop bluffing or you might get butted up. Definitely hotted up. If we touch mic and try and run it up, I'm like the sun is down and it rises up. And if they want to clash me, wile them up. No more smiling up, Billy is climbing up. On stage you won't ever see me miming up. Now I'm cleaning up, girls are dreaming up. Straight from the gutter, roll deep, teaming up. See me and my crew in the corner, leaning up. Listen to the style and flow, heating up. People get beaten up, they can't keep it up. You didn't see me then, you just heard me creeping up.
I told you, don't put it past me. I'll soon come, soon bun down a whole party. A lie? You know I was spitting the truth, and on tune spit hits in the booth. You can't stop, can you blind? That's what I'm giving these fools. I'm fools, them I'm playing them. Can't no spraying them. My mind set on money, of course, the new fools, so I'm taking them. Can't no breaking them.